Alright? So, ayan. This is Distributor 101. Okay? So, if you're new in this business, kung bago ka lang sa CIJA, ito yung mga information na kailangan mong malaman. Okay? Kung hindi mo pa ito alam, make sure, okay, na to focus on the details and then don't forget to share this to your team. So welcome to CIJA Life Unlimited, Distributor 101. Ano yan? Oops. Ano yan? Yeah, getting started. Ito na. Yan. Distributor 101. So ito yung mga common information na kailangan malaman when you start your business with CIJA. Let's get started. Getting started, registration. Okay? So, for someone to be part of CIJA, it's either bumili siya ng product or bumili siya ng package. Okay? Choose product or a package to start your business. Ito yung mga all combo kits natin na available. Basic system, 10,000. Business pack, 13,000. Andyan din yung mga points. Registration comes free with products or package purchase. Ayan yung pinag-usapan natin kanina. We're not focused on registration because it's free. But when you purchase a product or a package, okay, libre na siya. Next one is, yan, ito pa yung mga ibang packages natin. So kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung mga single products na available right now. Pansinin natin yung isa, yan. So, hindi lang naka-include yung Zango products. But, getting started, payment options. Paano ba magbayad sa CIJA? Paano ba sumali? Paano ba ako magpapadala ng pera? Ito ho. Pay cash or credit card at the office. Process enrollment online through your sponsor's replicated site using credit card or debit cards. That's why importante meron kayong debit cards, guys. But we're working out. Ito yan ha. Mamaya makita niyo yung next na announcement. So, merong 3 ways on how to register or how to pay. Bayad ka ng cash sa office or credit card, sa swipe, or, actually hindi pala swipe, ito batiin code lang nila, or through your sponsor's replicated site. Question ko right now, nakaset up na ba yung sponsor link nyo? Yung replicated website ninyo? Nakaset up na ba yung bernicayabyab.mycija.com or lexusdelacruz.mycija.com? Yun yung replicated site mo. Pwedeng umorder yung customers mo using their credit card or debit card. And then additional charges may apply for card transactions. Okay? Kasi meron din yan difference ng US dollar at Philippine peso. Okay? So baka magtaka kayo, nag-register kayo ng 2,000, may extra additional charges. Okay? So ibig sabihin, when you use credit cards and debit cards, may additional charges that may apply. And then balance transfer online. Ito yung BDO or deposit payments to CIJA Corp bank accounts. BDO or BPI. Pwede kasi yon online. Kung meron kang mobile app ng BDO or BPI and then mag-transfer ka ng payment, pwede ho yun. So 3 ways. Okay? And then screenshot mo yung payment na yon or take picture ng deposit slip and then email mo kay Miss Carmela. Ayan ho yung email. Next. Okay, are we clear? Ito ho yung bank accounts ng Philippines. CIJA Philippines Marketing Inc. Yan ho yung pangalan. Ito yung bank account numbers. Bank account name. So tatlo, BDO, BPI, and then East West. Kung ayaw mo ng ma-charge ng fee, pwede ka mag-deposit sa BPI tsaka sa East West. Ang BDO kasi, meron niyang 50 pesos regional transaction charge. Okay? But kung gusto mo nang wala ng additional charge, pwede ka sa BPI tsaka East West. Alright? Kung nahahabaan ka ng pila sa BPI, pwede ka mag-online schedule. Okay, meron silang tinatawag na online schedule. Pwede ka mag-schedule doon. Pupunta ka sa bangko, branch, and then papakita mo lang yung number para hindi ka napipila. Kukuha ng number. Okay? So, yan. Next. Deposit slips received by customer service are encoded within one business day. So the following details should be included when emailing deposit slips for enrollment. So yun, kailangan legal name, tapos date of birth, dapat 18 years old pataas, email, yung active, tsaka yung current, para ma-receive niya yung, kasi once na nag-register na, may ma-receive siya na confirmation email. And then contact number. Dapat yung contact number mismo ng distributor. Or kung gusto mo naman, kung walang contact number, pwede yung contact number mo and then ikaw yung magre-represent sa kanya. So make sure na meron siyang contact number din. Complete address. Okay? Meron kasing address na magkaiba doon sa shipping address. For example, ayaw ipa-deliver ng customer mo yung product sa bahay niya, gusto sa office. Andun sa baba, yan, shipping instruction. And then yung sponsor, sino? Yung sponsor, pangalan tsaka ID number, huwag kakalimutan. Pangalan at ID number. And then yung placement. Gusto mo nakalagay holding tank, lagay mo holding tank. Gusto mo left, gusto mo right, lagay mo outer left, outer right. Okay? Yun yung placement, saan mo ilalagay. Shipping instruction, kung lalagay mo sa office, lagay mo specific. Lalagay mo ganito, iiwan kay ganito, care of. Okay? Ilagay mo doon sa email. Okay? So, pre-shipping tayo. Metro Manila and then provinces. Take note. Pag Metro Manila, 3 to 5 business days. Wag niyong kakalimutan na sabihin yan sa customer or sa new registration nyo. Sa provinces naman, 3 to 7 business days from receipt of email proof of payment. Okay? Kasi ganito yan. Ang proseso niyan, once na na-receive na yung bayad, na-register na, kinabukasan, isi-ship. Hindi the same day, kinabukasan. Kasi may scheduling ang office kung kailan nila di-deliver. So wag ka magtataka kung medyo matagal. But that's okay. Pre-shipping yan. Imaginein mo, isang case pa lang ng super mix, magkano na ang charge niya? 200 yata. 250. So malaking bagay yung pre-shipping. Basta don't forget, nasabihan yung customers nyo na ganyan katagal. Pero paano mo masosolve yan? Nang mas mabilis. Okay? Kaya importante, meron kang inventory sa bahay mo. Meron kang inventory na dala palagi. Kapag meron ng umorder sa'yo, okay, galing sa magic words ng ating pinuno na si Joey Sebastian, pag hinawakan niya na yung product na yan, benta na yan. Okay? So, importante meron kang dala palaging products. Pag hinawakan nila yan, automatic, benta na yan. So, maganda, meron kang inventory mo. Lalo na kung magkakaroon kayo ng office dyan. Invest on inventory. Kasi papaikutin nyo yan. Okay? Important, please make sure shipping address is complete. Contact number is updated, and then holidays and weekends may not be included on delivery days. Alright? So, hindi kasama sa bilang yon. Kung naproseso siya ng Biyernes, o asahan mo, ang bilang niyan, Monday na. Hindi kasama yung Saturday, Sunday. Alright? So, commissions. Temporarily, lahat ng commissions natin dino-deposit dun sa provided na bank account. Kahit anong bank account, i-deposit nila yan. Email mo, kung wala ka pang, di mo pa nare-receive yung commissions mo, email mo kay Penny. Email Penny bank account details at penny.liwanag@siacorp.com. Kung deposit naman, yan, schedule of deposits natin, Friday to Monday. So, dinideposit yan tuwing Biyernes at Lunes. Hindi rin kasama weekends saka holiday. Now, ito yung exciting part. Alam niyo yung sinare ko na ProPay? Or yung e-wallet? Okay? Kasi pwede na tayo mismo, sa system mismo, importante yun. Sa system, pwede ka nang umorder ng products. Sa system, kapag may commissions ka, hindi mo na kailangan i-withdraw. Doon mismo sa system, pwede ka nang bumili. Pwede ka nang mag-purchase online. Kahit wala kang debit card or credit card, basta meron ka lang e-wallet. So, it's on the works. Okay? It's on the works para sa commissions natin tsaka sa auto ships. Kasi pwedeng i-charge, parang points yun. Nako-convert sa points. Yung cash mo, nasa system yan, di ba? Makita mo, uy, may commission ako, $100. Pwede yun ilagay sa e-wallet. Yung e-wallet na yun, hindi na kailangang i-transfer sa bangko mo. Hindi na kailangan i-transfer sa debit card mo or sa cheque. Nandun lang yun sa loob ng computer, sa system, back office mo. Pwede mong ipambili ng products, pwede mong ipang-sign up ng tao. Okay? Exciting, di ba? So, yung e-wallet natin. So, customer service numbers. Tandaan yung mga number na yan. Ito yung office hours. Baka mamaya pumunta kayo sobrang aga doon, sarado pa pala. Ito yung address. Okay? So, tatandaan nyo yan, yung mga number na yan, para pag may problema, tawagan agad sila sa office. Next. I'm in. What's next? Pasok na. Ano yung next? Important terms to know. Cycle. Ano yung cycle? Cycle is calendar week, 7 days. One cycle is 1 week. Nagsisimula yan 12 a.m. Sabado. Nagtatapos yan 12 midnight ng Friday. Based sa Utah time. Okay? Tatandaan nyo 12 a.m. Saturday, nag-e-end ng 12 midnight Friday. Period. Consists of 4 consecutive cycles. Yung period, hindi siya actually 1 month. But actually, 28 days. Okay? Kasi pwedeng sa isang period, nandun yung October at November. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng sabihin na kung ano yung buwan or month. That's why may number yung period. Anong period na tayo ngayon? Okay? 119 or 1120? 120. Okay? So, ang period consists of 4 consecutive cycles. 4 na cycle meron sa isang period. Sa isang period, merong 28 days. Sa isang calendar year, merong 13 na periods. Okay? 13. Kasi kung isang calendar year, kung buwan yung pag-uusapan, 12 lang yun. Pero dito, 13. Kasi nga, 28 days. Hindi 31, hindi 30. Personal order must be placed every 28 days to keep account active by enrolling in auto-ship or ordering manually. Okay. Para maging active ka, dalawang way. It's either naka-auto-ship ka or manual order. Ano yung advantage ng auto-ship? Ano yung advantage nun? Pag naka-auto-ship ka, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na kailangan mag-manually order. Ibig sabihin, may naka-enroll na debit card or credit card doon sa account. Okay? Kaya importante yun. Kasi may magkakaroon ka ng CJA rewards. Ano yung CJA rewards, Lex? Yung CJA rewards, yan yung parang rebates na binibigay sa'yo ng company every time na umu-order ka monthly. Dapat hindi ka nag-fail doon. Pag nag-fail ka, back to zero ka ulit. Back to 15%. No, back to zero pala. Back to 15% ka ulit. Kasi meron niyang on your first 3 months, 15%. On your 6 to 12 months siguro, parang ganon, 25%. Ibig sabihin, yan yung percentage ng rebates na bumabalik sa'yo kada bili mo ng product. So, yung product na, yung points na yon, yung rewards na yon, pwede mong i-redeem ng product. Pero walang points yon. Pwede mo lang i-redeem as free product. Diba? So, umu-order ka na buwan-buwan, nakakakuha ka pa ng libreng points na pwede mo i-convert sa product. So, kung 3 months ka na sa business at wala kang auto-ship, sayang yun. Ilang points din yun? Pwede ka na makabili ng isang box ng Super Mix or Smart Mix. Yung points ko ngayon, pwede ko nang ibili ng mga products. Okay? So, importante yung auto-ship. So, it's either active ka ng 40 or active ka ng 75. So, to earn commissions and bonuses, you must be active either 40 or 75. Now, ito yung rolling calendar. Alam ko, downloadable to sa back office nyo. Ito yun. Green, blue, black, yellow. Cycle 1, green. Cycle 2, blue. Cycle 3, black. Cycle 4, yellow. Yung holidays, red. Okay, kita nyo, may color dyan. Oh. Ito, may color. Oh. To be eligible for commissions, must be active and qualified. Ano ibig sabihin na active and qualified? Ito yun. Hindi lang porket naka-maintain ka, qualified ka na to earn commissions. Dapat qualified ka rin. Ibig sabihin, meron kang left at meron kang right na nag-maintain din. Okay? Dapat meron kang left and right na active para maging qualified ka. So, the simplest way to set up a CJ Rewards purchase with at least minimum PB. Your CJ Rewards purchase will automatically process once every 4-week period. Your CJ Rewards purchase will process in the same cycle each period unless changed at least 5 days beforehand. Each cycle runs from Saturday to Friday. So ito yon. Nasa, ano tayo? Period 119. 120 na pala. Hindi pala. Tama, 119. Magpi-period 120 na tayo. Period 120 na pala tayo now. Cut off na. Okay? So, ayan. Yun. Then, yung tatandaan nyo yun, kada cycle, 1 linggo, 7 days, sorry, kada period, 28 days. Tatandaan nyo yung period number kasi dyan nagbe-base yung mga incentives natin. Okay? So, what's next? Ito na. Check mo yung email mo. Ano ba yung username and ID number mo? Tatandaan mo palagi yan. Memorizein mo yan. Aside sa cellphone number mo, memorize mo yung CJ ID number mo. Log into your back office at mycj.com. Ito yung makikita nyo doon. Okay? So, enter your username and then yung password. So, explore yung replicated website mo. Username.mycj.com. Ano yung username mo? Alam mo na ba? Dapat alam mo na yan. Kasi yan yung isi-share mo na link kapag may gusto mag-purchase sa'yo online. Okay? Or gustong tignan yung business mo. So, may kita mo yan. Lalabas yung pangalan. Picture mo, pwede mo lagyan. So, you provide your own replicated site to all prospects to browse, order, and enroll. So, yan. Explore your back office. Mapapansin nyo dito, current pay rank, next pay rank, commissions. May mga changes na actually. So, binibigay niya lahat ng mga kailangan mo na information sa business mo. Previous cycle 118, builder. Pag kinlik mo yung mga pin na yan, malalaman mo kung ano yung rank mo. Ano pa yung kailangan mo, ilang points pa. Kunwari, kinlik mo yung bronze, may kita mo, ilang points pa yung kailangan mo. Okay? Ganun siya. So, ito yung reward points. CJ sa left side. Reward points, 18. O, 7 more points para ma-redeem mo na product. 25 points, pwede ka nang bumili ng isang box ng super mix niyan. So, wag niyo sayangin yung mga points, guys. Wag niyo sayangin. Okay? So, nandito lahat ng tab. View my team, my orders, marketing, initiative, resources. Nandiyan yung mga PDF. Kunwari, nagtatanong, ano bang kailangan sa Germany or sa Hong Kong? Nandiyan yun sa FAQs saka resources. May mga instruction din dyan. Pwede nyo i-download, isend mo dun sa customer mo or sa prospect mo. Okay? So, yan. Ready to start earning? Ito na. Back to basic. Fast start commission. So, for example, nakapag-refer ka ng 250 PV, tapos active ka ng 75, that's 25% FSC. Okay? So, ito yun. Referral mo is 25%. Diyan na yung value. Next, ito naman. Fast start commission. Same lang. Yung difference nito. Same lang. Okay? CJ Sango Gold system. Okay. So, do you want to double your fast start commission? Enroll at Gold or Diamond system. Okay? So, dodoble mo lang yan, no? Add mo lang. Add mo lang siya. Okay? Ito yung Gold system. Yan. Ito yung mga packages. Right? Auto-ship dapat. Naka-auto-ship ka dapat. Yun yung wag nakakalimutan. Kung nag-enroll ka ng Gold or Diamond, dapat naka-auto-ship ka. Hindi ka pwedeng manual. Dapat naka-auto-ship. So, ayan siya. Hanggang October 27 niya lang. Ayan ha. Until October 27. Fast start commission, pag 50% FSC, ito yon. Instead na 25%, 50% ka. So, ito yung referral mo. Sa isang box, 1.8 ang referral mo. Sa isang case ng Sango, 2.5 ang referral mo. Ganda, di ba? So, for example, ito naman, 250 PB, Nakapag-refer ka ng 24,000, ng referral mo 6,000. Nakapag-refer ka ng 250, 36,000, yan, 12,500 naman referral mo. Team commissions. Yan. So, for you to earn team commissions, kailangan meron kang active sa left at active sa right. So, yan, mapapansin nyo, sa left, meron siya total 500 points. Sa right, meron siya total 600 points. Ang magmamatch lang niyan is 500. Okay? 500 times 10%, $50. $50 times 250 is 2,500. So, same dito. Ganun din. 1,000 points, 1,200. So, remaining yung 200, guys. Maghihintay lang yon. So, magmamatch 1,000 times 10%, meron kang $100, meron kang 5,000 pesos. Now, same lang yan. Ganun din, 1,515 nag-match times $150 times 50, 7,500. And yung mga rank, bronze. Okay? Builder 500. Ito, Builder 500. Builder 1,000. Ito naman, bronze. Pag nag-1,500 ka, left and right, bronze. Meron kang 7,500, cycle. Okay? So, kung nag-bronze ka pala, nag-cycle ka ng 7,500. Kung nag-builder 1,000 ka, nag-cycle ka ng 5,000. Kung nag-builder 500 ka, kumita ka ng 2,500. Okay? So, kung nag-gold ka naman, meron kang cycle na 20,000. Okay? Kung nag-white gold ka, may 30,000 ka naman. Kasi 6,600 yan, no? White gold, 6,000. Platinum, 40,000. Emerald, 60,000. Diamond, 75,000. Wow. Isang cycle lang yan, ha? Okay? So, thank you. I hope you learned a lot and then you can share this to you. I'll post this dun sa group page natin so you can download and you can teach this to your new people. All right? So, again, thank you for watching.